Make a great choice today with the 2016 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.